Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting materials and marking the box footprint. Use a 3mm 5mm cardboard sheet and draw an 8x6-inch base, then add 1/2-inch flaps on all sides for joins. Once drawn, score the fold lines with a blunt blade so edges fold crisp without tearing. Make sure to cut on a mat and keep a ruler tight to the line. This precision reduces gaps later. Fold the flaps inward gently to check fit with your index cards before gluing. You now build the walls and secure corners for durability. Apply PVA glue to each 1/2-inch flap and press a side wall perpendicular to the base, holding for 30-60 seconds until tacky. Repeat for all sides. Once walls set, add 0.5-inch reinforcement strips along inner corners or exterior seams to stop racking. If you want sections, cut an inner divider equal to card height and glue it centered. This creates a rigid box that keeps cards upright and prevents warping. You finish by covering and labeling the box so it's usable and tidy. Apply decorative paper or fabric with glue, smoothing from center outward to remove bubbles. Trim excess for clean edges. Add a front label slot or an adhesive tab so you can change categories quickly. If cards don't fit smoothly, check for tight seams and sand inner edges lightly or shift the divider by a few millimeters. Once done, let everything cure for 2-4 hours before heavy use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.